In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage documents and files in Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To begin, let's first open your board. Once you've logged into your account, look to the left panel where you'll find the list of your workspaces. Navigate to the correct workspace and click on the board you want to work on. This is where all the magic will happen. Next, we want to add the Files column to your board. To do this, simply locate the plus icon on the right side of your board. Clicking that will allow you to add a new column. From the list of column types that appears, select Files. This feature is crucial because it lets you attach documents directly to specific tasks or items, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Now that you have your Files column set up, let's talk about how to upload a file. Click into an empty cell in that newly created Files column. A pop-up menu will appear, presenting you with several options for your file source. You can choose from Computer if you want to upload local files straight from your device. Alternatively, select from Webcam if you'd like to capture an image or video in real time. There's also the option from Link, which allows you to attach a URL if the document is hosted elsewhere. Lastly, if you prefer cloud storage, you can connect directly to services like Google Drive or Dropbox to seamlessly import your files. Now let's create a document right within Monday.com. In that same Files pop-up, you'll notice an option labeled Doc. Clicking on this will allow you to create a new document directly in the platform. This feature is especially useful for meeting notes or project briefs that you want to keep inside a specific task. This way, everything stays in one place and is easy to find when you need it. After uploading files and creating documents, it's essential to manage and collaborate effectively. To view an existing file, simply click on it and it will open in the built-in viewer. This viewer makes it easier for you to review the contents without leaving the platform. One of the standout features of Monday.com is the ability to leave comments directly on the file. This is a fantastic way to add feedback or make decisions collaboratively, as team members can see the discussions directly related to the document. Additionally, if you want to keep track of changes, you can check the document's version history. This feature lets you see updates over time, so you can track how the document evolved and who made specific changes. This can be invaluable for maintaining clarity and accountability in your projects. Finally, if you need to extract or download any files for local use, Monday.com provides tools to easily pull the file out. This means you can save important documents directly to your device without any hassle. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage documents and files in Monday.com effectively. Happy organizing!